Hey guys, it's going to be a short video today. I just want to cover some of the commonly used terms to describe options. Now we have learned about the different factors affecting option prices, and I just want to cover three terms that you might have heard or you will hear people using to describe their option positions. It is ITM, ATM, and OTM. For ITM, this stands for in the money. What this means is your option has intrinsic value. Now, if you own a call option, your option is in the money when the stock price is higher than the strike price of your call. For ATM, this means at the money. When both the stock price and the strike price are at the same number, your option is considered at the money. Now for OTM, this stands for out of the money. So this means your option has no intrinsic value. Using the examples of calls again, this refers to call options where the strike price is higher than the stock price. Now let's take a look at a quick example to understand these terms. So if the price of Facebook is $250 currently, what options are in the money, at the money, and out of the money? For in the money options, a 200 call or a 275 put, both of these will be considered in the money because both these options have intrinsic value. For at the money options, only the 250 call and 250 put will be considered at the money because the strike price has to equal the stock price for the option to be considered ATM. And for out of the money options, any option that has no intrinsic value will be considered out of the money. So the 260 call and 225 puts are both considered OTM. Now you may hear people saying that, oh, my option is currently out of the money, or my option just moved in the money. These terms are commonly used by option traders. And for in the money options, they are normally shown with a different background on the option chain. In the money options will be shaded. So I have a screen capture for the option chain for Facebook. And from the screenshot, we can see that the stock price for Facebook is 278. And we are looking at options that expire on 16 July 2021, which is 240 days away from expiration from the time this screenshot was taken. We will consider the $280 option to be at the money because it's the closest option to Facebook stock price. So all calls with strike prices from $270 and below are in the money, and you can see that they are shaded. They have a dark blue background. For puts, all puts with strike prices above 280 are in the money as well, and you can see that they are also shaded. Now most brokerage softwares have some form of indicators to show you or highlight which options are in the money. And if you want to view the IV for each option, you can look at the number here. The number here has a percentage. So for the TD Ameritrade software, the IV for each option is shown at the top of the option chain. Okay, so I've covered the commonly used terms in the money, at the money, and out of the money. Now in the next lesson, I will cover the 4 Greeks associated with options: delta, gamma, vega, and theta. So feel free to reach out to me if you guys have any questions, and I'll do my best to respond. As always, thank you for watching and see you in the next video.